Hello guys, today we're playing Grow Garden and I'm with my ano tawag mo sa kanya? I'm with my friends. So yeah. Wait, let me tell them. Okay. Okay. I told them. So I have my garden. That's
Diyan sa'yo.
that's not my garden. Let's go my garden. Okay, I just have a bunny not eating my rotten strawberries. Okay, anyways, let's go. My friend gave me this.
Out and I'm about to catch some Z's.
My friend gave me this, so let's film this up. What the ingay mo? Big money. That's big money.
Buy an egg.
No thanks. I won't.
Want another one?
No thanks. One annoying bunny is enough.
What if
And
hindi
ciao.
naman yun bunny?
What if it's one? Stop screaming! You sound you sound like a slot screaming. You sound like a screaming
Ka na ba?
slot. Yes. Shut up! You sound like an angry slot.
Bili ka muna ng egg.
And
What?
okay, good.
Bili ka muna ng egg.
So
Buy an
here's
egg! Buy an egg!
okay. This is my bunny. One annoying bunny is enough. It's just jumping like random crazy. Wait! I wanna get this. There's the 150, and I wanna get the 150. Oh, there's only one stock.
Oh,
Let's plant it.
Why do they? And let's go. Let's plant. Oh, this looks like a normal
Chicken egg.
Yeah, it looks like a chicken egg. I have high hopes it's a chicken egg.
It's tiny.
Get out.
Don't judge because it's tiny, bro.
Get out.
Okay, gotta collect these.
Both of you.
Ow. Ow.
Yeah, it's out. Nah, my friend is literally jumping like crazy right now. And garden. Okay, we got some blueberries. Can we get this? I wish I could steal some, but I wish I could steal some fruits from them, but I don't have Robux.
Condolences.
Okay, let's go sell it. Hey! Garden. Hi,
Check
buddy.
mo muna kung ano yung time. Kung gaano katagal yung egg.
What egg?
Yung egg.
It's still normal.
Huh?
It's still going kakalaka boom.
Bigger, right?
CPR!
Oy, ingay nyo.
Yung pwede kami maingay.
Nah, you're doing crazy man stuff. That's bad. And the garden. Okay, let's go. This is pretty normal. I actually like this game. It's pretty nice. Let me just...
Spell Negus.
Paliw ka, narinig ka sa video.
Celestial pepper! He gave
You're
me a
in public.
celestial pepper.
No.
What? What did he just say?
Get out.
Yun, tulog muna ako.
Doon sa luwas, kumutulog. Mali yung ilong ko, nadurog mo na.
Sorry.
Get out. Get out.
Sakit.
Okay.
If you're not getting out.
I'm not.
Hey! Narinig ka na, tuloy!
Sorry.
I'm... Ikakat out ko na lang.
Oh my God.
Yung
That
mga
is
stuff
thick.
na
Oh.
Thick! Thick! This is a big thicky.
Lumbas kayo doon.
This is a thicky
Basta
one.
na.
This is a thicky one. Oh, it's thick.
Ay, stop saying it.
I'm in the thick of it. I'm in the thick of it. I'm in the thick. Why you hitting me with solo? Okay.
I-off mo muna yung mic, please.
Ikaw kasi, nag-film ka ko ng dito.
I don't care. Get out.
Bro, I literally get more grades than you.
Spell.
I don't care.
And so?
May 98 ako.
We,
Spell.
ako may 95. Map ng mape, pati science.
Direct sell on.
Okay. And we. Why do I always carry that precision thing?
Like
I'm just gonna
turbulence?
let those.
You like turbulence?
Pet shop. Pet shop. Yo, is it?
Yo, there's a red.
1 million right now.
Do you wanna try?
Oh, it's too expensive. I could get some more
No.
command eggs.
No. I save money.
No, I don't like. No, I don't like them. And garden. Hi, bunny. I don't know what to name my bunny.
Spell.
Bubbles.
Spell an. Name
She
him.
likes rain.
Name him.
No, she likes rain, so I'm gonna name her Rain.
Oh, she loves touching grass.
Yeah, I know. She likes touching grass. But it's. Hi. Hey, why you always ignore me?
Ganyan
Hi.
talaga yun.
Meow meow.
Ugh.
Is this a cat?
Check mo muna.
Okay. I will just check on my rich friends.
What?
Di ba may Robux sila, no? Sila...
Eh, pwede ka
Megan.
na pala magbigay sa kanya.
Baby Asha, baby Asha.
Huwag ka manghihingi.
I want a doggy.
I want a doggy.
I want a doggy.
But you have one in your life.
Doggy.
A one job in your life is worth one bowl full of adobo.
Cow!
One cow is
Uy,
worth a one
yo, bro gave me a cow.
kind of
Binigyan siya ni Kevin ng kawa.
Yo, thanks.
is worth a one full
Double time.
Hey, no.
caldereta.
No.
Yeah, kaldereta.
No making
Pares.
cow ko. no
Steak.
no beef Wellington, no steak.
Grilled
Yoko.
ribs.
Yoko.
Wagyu.
Yeah.
Wagyu.
Hi, dog. Hi, good cow. Why does he look like Sam?
I'm gonna eat him.
What's this?
Wagyu.
Not funny, bro. What should I name?
Spell.
What should I name the cow?
A5.
Ay, alam ko na.
Call him KCO.
I know, yes.
Oh wait, I need a very special name. So it will be
Chinese.
it will be Nicoado Avocado. Magiging Nicoado Avocado siya. Show that gyat. Hi. Show this gyat. Show that big gyat. Never mind. Oh well. So yeah.
Kanina ka pa nag-film. Pwede ako naman next?
Wait.
Time for Lauren to leave.
And 3, 2, 1, so.
Hey, enough. Ako naman.
I'm still doing some work. 3, 2,
You can
1,
continue your work tomorrow.
At saka nag-grow naman yun ng offline eh.
Paparedo ang geda, hongiri wa.
Oh, nag-grow naman yung offline, di ba?
12 minutes left.
Lord, nag-grow naman yung offline.
Wait. Yeah, I also have some.
Cutting's round.
Yeah, I call it the blocks fruit.
What the hell?
You know. And so, why are you smiling it? Maybe I should hear.
Hindi gagawa.
What do you want? Hi! Why do you sound? you sound like a laughing slut. Anyways, yeah, that's just all. Yeah.
My turn!
Shut it! Shut it, you big back guy. Anyways, that's just all. So I'm gonna inform y'all guys tomorrow. I have no friends. Oh,
Done yet.
nice. Okay, that's just all. Okay, bye guys.
My turn.
No
Bye.
time